This is some serious bullshit right here. We got all of winter in one night. Ugh. So it's gonna be a day inside. I mean, it's pretty out here and it's not too cold, but we had quite the storm. Yeah. Again, bullshit. I was on my way to work, but I don't have to go to work now because we're closed. But this is bullshit. Look. And now I'm walking up to my building, but this is actually what I wanted to show. So this is not my building. This is my building. So if you see, let's do this. Okay, I can do it. But look at this building. The wind was not their friend last night. These people are completely snowed in. Doesn't even look like anyone's left their building. This is from me this morning trying to get out. So, this is it, Toronto. At least we don't have to call the army in anymore. Yeah, I think we've come a long way since then. But if you have to go out, please be careful. Stay warm, drive safe, walk safe. Just be safe because it's not fantastic. Have a good one.